Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is a lightweight and multi-stage approach for Android malware detection using non-invasive machine learning techniques. Let's move to the abstract of our project. Malware presents a serious threat to the security of device and the service they provided. The main aim of the study is to explore the malware prediction in Android to provide more efficient and effective way to detect the malware on Android device. Non-invasive machine learning techniques can be used to extract features for applications quickly. This technique is promising way to improve the security of Android device. We have used the Ensemble late fusion algorithm, in which we combine two algorithms like we used a random forest and XGBoost algorithm to classify our dataset to get the high accuracy and prediction of getting whether it's malware or not. This is the flow of our project. First we start our project. We take the dataset from the website like Kaggle or GitHub. After that we load our dataset, our Android malware dataset. After loading we go to the pre-processing. Here we have the process of handling missing values and label encoding. After that we move to the splitting part. Here we split our dataset into training part and testing part. We have the more number of dataset in training and less number of dataset in testing. After that we have the classification. We have used Ensemble late fusion algorithm. Here only we combine the random forest algorithm and XGBoost algorithm for the prediction. After getting the result, we predict whether it's malware detected or not. Let's run our project. Okay, this is the output of our project. First we load the dataset from the website that we have downloaded. After loading we have to check the null values and string values that are present in a dataset, because by having the null values and the string values we have the error in a prediction part. So in pre-processing we have to convert the missing values into zeros, and we after that label encoding. Here the object values will be converted into integer values. After that we have the EDA diagrams for our dataset. Then the data splitting part. Here we split the data into testing part and training part. We have the separations like 60 or 40 or 70 or 30. In our program we have the separation of 75:25 in data splitting part. After that we are using an Ensemble late fusion algorithm. In this we used a random forest algorithm and XGBoost algorithm. Combining that we get the accuracy of 91%. After that we give two different data to predict. For one we got that is some malware, and for another we got that is no malware prediction. So this is the output of our project.